Sa gitna ng mapanghamong aksyon ng Chinese Coast Guard at Chinese PLA Navy, mas pipiliin pa rin daw ng Armed Forces of the Philippines na hindi magkagulo o magkagera. Alam nating nakakatakot talaga pag nagkaroon ng digmaan. Maraming madadamay na inosente, maraming mamamatay. Pero hindi sa lahat ng pagkakataon iiwas tayo sa gulo, lalo na't alam natin na nasa katwiran tayo. Lalaban tayo pag alam natin tama ang ating pinaglalaban. Papalag tayo pag alam nating ating talagayang teritoryo na yan. Yan ang sinabi ni Pangulong Marcos laban sa patuloy na pambubuli ng China.
The Philippines, deeply familiar with the atrocities brought about by war between and amongst nations, has always chosen the path of peace. And I can assure all of you that we will continue to do so. Through diplomacy, dialogue, and cooperation, we have successfully maintained a region that is peaceful, stable, and prosperous. We have and will continue to work with partners in the international community in building bridges, forging solutions, preserving our global commons. The Philippines will always make a stand and will always stand for what is right. In a world where the only thing that appears to be constant is change, we are thus gratified by our enduring alliance, our partnership and friendship with the United States, especially towards advancing our common agenda of peace and prosperity in the Indo-Pacific. In peace and in war, through natural disasters and pandemics, Philippine-U.S. relations are firmly anchored.
Fighting side by side 80 years ago continues to provide meaning and focus for the modern U.S.-Philippine alliance. Our bilateral ties are stronger than ever as we work together today to address shared challenges ranging from maritime security and disaster response to complex 21st century concerns.
Nagpasalamat naman si Pangulong Marcos at nandyan pa rin ang USA Forces. Kung wala ang Amerikano sa ating bansa, tuta na tayo ngayon ng China. Inuutos-utusan, sunod-sunura. Kaya ngayon patuloy tayong magsasanay katuwang ang sundalong Amerikano sa posibilidad ng kaguluhan. Nagsasanay tayo hindi para umatake o magsimula ng gulo, kundi nagsasanay tayo para depensahan ang teritoryong ninanakaw ng ibang bansa. Patama to sa China kahit hindi direktang binanggit ang Chinese Coast Guard.
During joint military exercises as our armed forces will in a few weeks' time for Balikatan, there is no doubt that our relationship is robust, with our two countries continuing to work together to address common challenges. We are proud of our history and even prouder of the relationships and alliance that we have built over the many years, bound by our shared history and our common commitment to a region governed by rules, not by might, where the rights of countries, large or small, are respected. The Philippines recognizes challenges that lie ahead and is assured that we can continue to count on the help of friends as we have done so over the last 80 years.
Oo, nakakatakot naman talaga ang digmaan. Pero papaano iiwasan niya ng AFP kung China na ang nag-uudyok na simulan na yan? Ikaw, lalaban ka ba pag nagkagulo? Ikomento sa baba ang iyong salob.